Hi, and welcome to this product run-through of TravelOperations Enterprise for Microsoft Dynamics 365. In this video, we will learn more about BSP and ARC Reconciliation. I will walk you through some of the travel-specific features that TravelOperations brings to Dynamics 365 and show you how you can take advantage of the automated processes TravelOperations Enterprise offers. So, I'm going to click right here on BSP and ARC Reconciliation to access the workspace where things happen. No matter where you operate in the world, TravelOperations will be able to support your daily processes. Our solution supports multiple industry standards, so whether your airline vendor is BSP or ARC won't be a problem. HOT and IAR files can both be imported and read by the application. In the workspace, it's easy to get an overview and a quick access to all transactions, or just all open transactions. You can even get an overview of the sales order lines behind each ticket. Here, on the left-hand side, you have the tiles. The tiles give you an immediate overview of the number of sessions. There's a tile for your own sessions and for your team sessions, open and closed. A session equals one import of a file, and clicking on one of the tiles will take you to the main screen, from where you can start working with an existing file session. From the tiles, you also have the possibility to import a new file. In the workspace, you also have access to the standard embedded Power BI reports by clicking on the Analysis tab. From here, it's possible to slice and dice all your numbers to get an easy, efficient, and quick insight into your flight turnover, payables, and commission earned. Now, let's have a look at the actual matching of data. From my workspace, I click on My Open Sessions to enter the main screen for flight ticket reconciliation. At the top, you have an overview of all your open sessions. The Detail section down here is split into three areas. The first one shows the ticket is received directly from BSP or ARC. The second one, in the middle here, shows you all the transactions in Dynamics 365 for the ticket marked in the section above. This gives you a complete track of all events for this specific ticket. Finally, the last section, right here at the bottom, shows the total. If there was any discrepancy between the file and Dynamics 365, it would be clearly visible here. When you import a HOT or IAR file, the system not only imports the file and matches the tickets, but also automatically posts any smaller differences to a dedicated deviation GL account, as long as it is within the tolerance frame you have chosen. The system also goes through the tickets one by one and categorizes them based on whether they match or not. To only see the tickets that match, you can simply click on OK right here. Then, if you want to only see the tickets that do not match, you can select All Discrepancies here. Any ticket that has a 100% match or is within the defined tolerance frame is automatically posted and settled so that only the discrepancies remain open for further investigation. The total payable amount to BSP or ARC will be posted for immediate bank reconciliation. As you can see, the software really makes it easy to resolve and work with discrepancies. Different amount shows transactions where the payable amount to BSP or ARC is over the tolerance frame that you have configured in Dynamics 365. There are several ways to solve these. It all depends on the nature of the discrepancy. If the deviation is many tickets with small differences, the solution could be one common posting to a dedicated GL account. We can now have a look at Tickets filters. So here, if I click on Deviation, I access the filter settings. Let's say I want to see tickets where the deviation is between -4 and 4. Apply. Here you go. Now I want to select all transactions by clicking here. I go to Discrepancies and I select Post Difference. And now I can select the GL account to which the differences must be posted. I press OK, and in one click, the system will post all the amounts to the GL account and the vendor. Now, all you have to do is click on Rematch or Reanalyze Record and settle reconciliation, and all of your tickets will match and settle automatically. If it is a more comprehensive variance, you can choose to post the difference directly on the sales order, which will affect the margin on the individual order. You can choose to do it as an internal posting by clicking on Discrepancies, Fix Vendor. Or if the customer should be affected as well, then you can click on Fix Customer and Vendor, and it will reconcile the ticket. Different amounts and different forms of payment, that is to say when the payment method in the GDS is different from the one in TravelOperations, have the same options, repost the vendor internally, here, or affect both customer and vendor, here. You decide what you want to do, and the software takes care of the rest. If I mark Not in Dynamics 365, the system will show transactions for which the ticket is in the HOT or the IAR file, but not in Dynamics 365. This could be, for example, an ADM or an ACM. The solution? We go back to our Discrepancy tab and we click on Create Sales Line. From there, TravelOperations Enterprise will create the order line on the related sales order or on an internal sales order of your choice. Now you can post it, rematch, and settle the reconciliation. The solution again is only a few clicks away. Uninvoiced, right here, is where the ticket is in Travel Operations but has not been posted. So, we're going to click on Details and select Show Order. Then you will just have to post, rematch, and settle. It is as easy as that. Thanks to all these direct links that give you access to relevant areas and log history, working with discrepancies has never been easier. When using TravelOperations Enterprise for Dynamics 365, you will really feel the difference as you save a great deal of time and effort. Feel free to browse our webpage to find more information about TravelOperations Enterprise. Don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn to stay posted about all the travel operations and industry-related updates. You can find the link to our website and LinkedIn profile in the description box. If you would like to know more or schedule a demo, you are more than welcome to click on the contact button on our website to get in touch. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next one.